Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate event scheduling with Eventbrite. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start automating event scheduling with Eventbrite, first, visit the Eventbrite website and log in to your account. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up with your email or through a social media account. Once logged in, navigate to the Create Event button on your dashboard. Fill in the details for your event, such as the event name, location, date, and time. Next, set up your ticket types under the Tickets section. Choose between free or paid tickets, and define how many tickets are available. Make sure to add any additional options, such as early bird pricing or discounts. Once your ticket types are set, move to the Event Settings tab. Here, you can customize your event's privacy settings, allowing either public or private access. Next, look for the Integrations section in the settings. Explore available integrations that can help automate your scheduling. For example, you might connect Eventbrite to Google Calendar to sync your events seamlessly. After configuring integrations, go back to the main event page and review all your details. Ensure everything is accurate before publishing your event. Click on the Publish button when you're ready to make the event live. After publishing, use the automation tools available to set reminders and notifications for attendees. You can also schedule follow-up emails to participants after the event. Finally, monitor your event dashboard to track registrations and engagement metrics. With these steps, you can automate your event scheduling process effectively using Eventbrite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.